Dear aspirants, hope your preparations are going well. As a part of our mains answer writing and mentorship program Chakde Mains, we are coming up with a new initiative which is spontaneous answer writing program. So what is basically spontaneous answer writing program? It is a daily session, daily live answer writing session. A random question will be chosen and will be posted in our Telegram and YouTube channels so that you have to write the answer within an hour. That is at 9 p.m. sharp, we'll be having a live answer writing session and discussion. So what will be this discussion is all about? The discussion will make sure that you address the question properly, the demand of the question, the directives, the intro, the body, the conclusion part will be discussed in a detailed manner so that you can enrich your answers, your content enrichment part you can do. So as I mentioned earlier, this program is a daily program, daily live answer writing program. It will start on August 1st and continue till your mains. So make sure that you write the answers daily, which will improve your time management, writing skills, content articulation. As we all know that UPSC Civil Service Examination or UPSC is an unpredictable service commission, so that they can come up with random questions. So this is aimed at making you prepared for addressing any questions. Whether UPSC comes up with any question, you will be able to write the answer. This is a program focused on that. Whenever you get a question, make sure that you don't refer it further, don't copy paste the content from the online sites. Know what you know, okay, write what you know. Those, that is the basic objective, that to spontaneously write. Prescribe the time limit so that at 9 p.m. we have an all exclusive mentorship program come discussion program. So that is with respect to spontaneous answer writing program. And talking about our Chakde Mains program, Chakde Mains is an exclusive program for mains answer writing and mentorship. We have coming with many sessions for Chakde Mains, like decoding the directives. The future sessions will be how to write a good intro, good body, good conclusion, as well as we are having a test series based on this. That is, we have completed our first round, that is first bell, which was individual answer writing, a 30-day program. Now we have stepped into a second bell, that is second round, that is with respect to section wise test, the topic wise test we are doing now. So those who are interested to join our Chakde Mains program, please contact in our office number. Take a note that the spontaneous answer writing program, that is Chakde Spontaneous, is a free program. It is open to all of you, so that at 8:30 p.m. we'll be posting the question. At sharp 9 p.m. we'll be coming up with the discussion. The peer evaluation will also be done. That is important, or like some good answers will be like shared via the Zoom platform and it will be peer evaluated. That will also be done so that it will be an all comprehensive session. Make sure that you attend the session. It is free, it is completely free, and it is for open for all of you. Those who are writing this year, those who are attempting next year, beginners, all of you can join the session. Make sure that those who are writing this year means don't skip the session. Thank you.